If you're using Claude Code and you're only typing prompts, you're using maybe 10% of its power. Today, I'm giving you the complete cheat sheet, every command, every shortcut, every trick. Bookmark this video. Let's start with the 5 commands you should use every single day. Number 1, /compact. This compresses your conversation without losing context. Use it every 15 minutes. It saves tokens and keeps Claude focused. Number 2, /clear. Switching tasks, clear the context. Don't mix a bug fix with a new feature. Clean context equals better results. Number 3, /model. Switch between Opus and Sonnet instantly. Use Opus for complex tasks, Sonnet for simple ones. Save money. Number 4, /cost. See exactly how many tokens you've burned this session. Knowledge is power. Number 5, /context. A visual grid showing how much context window you have left. When it's getting full, time to compact. Now, the keyboard shortcuts that will change your life. Shift+Tab cycles through permission modes. Default, accept edits, plan, auto. Plan mode is the most powerful. Claude thinks without writing code. Escape, the undo button. Claude made a mistake? Double escape to rewind. Like time travel for your code. @. Mention any file with autocomplete. Way faster than describing where it is. ! Run bash directly. The output goes straight into Claude's context. Now, the CLI flags for power users. -C or -- continue. Resume your last session. Claude remembers everything. Stop starting over every morning. -P, pipe mode. Cat a file, pipe an error log. Feed test results directly into Claude. No copy pasting. -W, worktree mode. Claude works in an isolated Git branch. Your main code stays untouched until you approve. And here are the advanced commands most people don't know about. /plan. Enter plan mode with a task description. Claude designs the architecture before touching any code. /diff. Interactive diff viewer. See every change Claude made before you commit. /init. Auto-generates a CLAUDE.md file for your project. One command, and Claude understands your entire codebase. /loop turns Claude into a background worker. Monitoring deploys, reviewing PRs, running checks on autopilot. /voice. Talk to Claude Code. Push to talk, 20 languages. You speak, it codes. /BTW. Ask a side question without polluting your main context. Brilliant for quick lookups, and the newest additions from March 2026. /effort. Control how much the model thinks. Low for quick answers, high for complex architecture. /rewind. Checkpoint your conversation. Go back to any point if things go wrong. /schedule. Create Claude tasks that run on a cron. Claude works while you sleep. /remote control. Control your terminal session from Claude.ai on any device. That's the complete cheat sheet. I'll put all commands in the description. Save this video. You'll come back to it.